What's going down, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome again. My name is Tomas and I review beard products, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing another beard product. But before I do so, I want to say huge thanks to those companies that are getting back to me, because when I was building my previous channel, I was basically doing pretty much the same thing, not the same but similar, where I was reviewing products. But my experience was different because every single time I asked for some samples, the companies were basically not really cooperating with me, and they would basically just get back to me saying, well, unless you have a certain amount of subscribers, which is like 200 subscribers, we won't send anything to you. And you know, if you're at the beginning, you are operating on budget and it's difficult to get these samples. If you don't get any products, if you don't have any content, that's it, you're kind of done. So, but it's possible to go from 0 to tens of thousands of subscribers. It's just difficult. But my experience with this beard channel, it's quite different. And I have to say, like, all these companies that I reached out to, they are cooperating with me. They're sending these samples to me. And that's basically what I wanted to say. Big thank you, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the companies that I emailed, and it is Badass Beard Care. I ordered 2 samples. When I first emailed them and I asked for some samples, they pointed out at their website where you can get free samples. The options are basically different. You can get a whatever kit of all oil, balm, and I don't know, I'm not really sure, but I ordered 2 different samples. Basically what you pay for is just like with Audius Man, which is only for shipping. It's a flat fee. I believe it's $2.50, so it's less than, I know it's less than $3, and that's it. But it all started out with like me emailing them, and basically they got back to me saying, absolutely, we're going to do whatever we can to help you out. And they provide you with tracking information where you can track down your package. And basically it came in like a couple days, like 4 or 5 days, and it came in yesterday. So let's do this. Let's open these babies up and let's see what's inside. All right, so let's see what's inside of the first one. Let's open this this one up, and I see some letter, something like this. Let's see what's in here. Now, Badass Beard Care sticker. Absolutely, thank you very much. Very nice. I'm gonna put that on my refrigerator. And we have some guitar pick here. Wonder what's that for. It's just basically a thank you card, giving you some instructions, I guess, how to apply beard oil, beard balm. It's a nice marketing material. I think this is a good thing to do. Now this guitar pick, not really sure what this guitar pick is for. I think it will be explained. I wonder if this is for a beard balm to get out of the container. And if it is, that's awesome. Wow, I've never seen that before, and I think that's what it is. Let's see what's, oh, this is just a receipt. So, and I think that's what this is for. Use a fingernail or a guitar pick. So that's exactly what this is for. It's to get the, you know, a beard balm out of the container. So wow, that's awesome. That's wow, I've never seen that before. Excellent. That's really awesome. Now let's see what inside here. We have a Badass beard wash, and it's tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint 1 ounce bottle. It looks good. This is what it looks like. I like the bottle. I mean, I like the label. The colors are nice. Now the ingredients are on this side, but as you can see, they're very, very small, so I'm not going to be able to read it for you guys. There are 2 main reasons why I chose, or why I was wondering about Badass Beard Care and reached out to them and wanted to try their products, was because a lot of organic ingredients they use, it's on their website. They use a lot of oil, a lot of, you know, certified and organic oils on ingredients. And the reason number 2 was I kind of like the story of the owner of the company, who is a veteran, and you know, his father and him, or he grew up around Harley Davidson guys with beards and drinking whiskey. And so when his father passed away, he decided to start a company. He's operating outside of Sacramento, California, family operated owned company, and they're veterans. So that's awesome. Thumbs up for veterans, thumbs up for Badass Beard Care. Guys, God bless you, good luck. So let's see what it smells like. Again, this is tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint. It smells like, I smell a lot of eucalyptus and peppermint. I don't really smell tea tree. Tea tree is very soft anyway. I would say more eucalyptus. So if you guys are in, you know, eucalyptus or peppermint, It smells good. Oh, you know what it reminds me? I don't know if you guys are familiar with like spa or with sauna, where I would refer more to like Eastern European sauna, which is very strong, and you walk into the sauna, so you walk inside of the room and it's so hot, and they basically use this eucalyptus or peppermint for, I guess, fresh air, so it kind of like cleans you from inside when you're inhaling and when you're sweating. So that's what it really reminds me. I haven't been in sauna for a very long time, but I'm probably gonna go tomorrow. It smells good. Like the scent a lot. Now there's a little bag here. Wow, it looks good. I like the little bag. There's probably oil and beard balm inside. This is what it looks like. It says the Viking. It's a nice little bag. So let's open it and let's pull those guys out and let's pull those guys out and let's try them. So this is beard balm. It's a nice little container. So I can't wait to try that guitar pick, see how that works. Okay, this is what it looks like. The Viking. Now, see what it smells like. I smell eucalyptus again, more than peppermint. Nice. Wow. I don't think I've ever tried like eucalyptus or peppermint, like strong scent on eucalyptus or peppermint ever before, but it's really good. Now let me see what the oh, it's soft. It's very, very soft. This is going to be very easy to work with. I'm not going to apply any beard balm. I will definitely try beard oil, but I'm not doing beard balm today. I'm going to use that guitar pick that I put somewhere soft. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but this is what it's like. It's very easy. This is going to be very easy to work with. It's going to melt down immediately. I just hate when when they have those beard balms that are very hard and it takes forever till it melts down. It's almost like a wax or something, but this is very kind of like a buttery, very soft. So again, it will be very easy to work with. So can't wait to try it and let you guys know later on. So let's try beard oil. It's a little bottle just like this, but it seems like it's kind of thick. So this is, if it is thick, then it's gonna last forever. It's pretty much same, you know, smell. I smell, well, in this one would be more, I would actually smell here more peppermint. Let me shake it first. Anything you guys do, always shake well first, and then apply it. It smells good. It smells like eucalyptus and peppermint. It's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same scent, and it smells good. So let me try a little bit of oil. Not gonna use a lot, just a little bit. This much. Wow, it is thick. So that's awesome. I don't know if you can see anything. It's right there. It's coming down. Wow. I smell it immediately. Just by applying it on my beard. It already smells good. Now I'm gonna use comb and comb it out. Smells good. It's not greasy, which is awesome. It just smells good. Let me use my Beard brand comb. This comb, it's like one of the best combs I've ever had. Let me comb it out. And wow, I like it. Like I said, I don't think I've ever had scent strong on eucalyptus or peppermint, but it's really good. Wow, very nice. Impressed. Badass beard care, thumbs up. All right, so that's the so that was the again, beard wash. 1 ounce of beard wash. Let me close the beard balm. So beard wash, beard balm, and it's a beard oil that I've received from them, and it's really good. All of them are very nice. Can't wait to try both beard wash and beard balm. I'll let you guys know, but beard oil is phenomenal. It all smells good. The beard oil is kind of thick, which is good. It's going to last for a while, so that's awesome. Now let's look into the other one that I've received, and let's see what's in there. Let me open it. All right, it's pretty much the same thing. Thank you letter with the sticker. So I have 2 stickers now. It's the same sticker, but if you guys are into stickers, then you're definitely gonna like these, and you're definitely gonna appreciate it. And there's this thank you card, and like I explained before, it basically just explains how to apply balm and how to apply oil. There is also that guitar pick right here on the corner. I don't know if you can see it, it's glued there. There you go. So that's a big thing. I've never seen that before. Let's see what's in here and what scent is this one. I don't really remember. It's the same thing. Beard wash, and there's beard balm and beard oil in this little bag. It's the original. So the one before was the Viking, which is eucalyptus, tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint. And this one calls the original. It's the same bag, you know, and beard wash. And let's see what this one smells like. Wow, it smells nice. Sandalwood and vanilla. This should be. Again, ingredients are very, very small. Can't really read them, but I do know. Yes, sandalwood oil and vanilla. That's exactly what it smells like. It smells more like vanilla to me. Sweet, which is good. I like it. I like vanilla or, you know, tobacco. That kind of smell, like, you know, put it together. It's pretty good. So sandalwood and vanilla, it's nice. It's kind of like I said, it's kind of sweet on the sweet side, but it's pretty good. The beard balm, the same little container. Okay, and now, yeah, vanilla again, and I'm sure the beard oil will be pretty much the same. I have to tell you that choosing between eucalyptus or peppermint and sandalwood and vanilla, I'm probably gonna go with vanilla. So again, beard oil, beard balm, and the beard wash. This one is the original, which is vanilla and sandalwood, and then the one before, tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint, was the Viking. If I had to choose between these two, let me get those little bags. So if I had to choose, and put these on the side, if I had to choose between these two, the original and then the Viking, again, the Viking it reminded me like sauna, you know, spa, where you smell eucalyptus and peppermint, where the original, it's kind of on the sweet side. So it depends what you guys prefer. But I'm probably gonna choose the original over the Viking, only because I like the smell of vanilla. So that's the winner of today, these two samples that I have received from Badass Beard Care. But in overall, a huge thumbs up, Badass Beard Care. Thank you guys for basically sending these stuff to me and the opportunity to review your products. They're pretty good. Absolutely, I'm definitely gonna, if I'm done with these samples, even with beard wash, with balm and oil, I'm definitely going back, and I'm probably gonna choose, like I said, I'm probably gonna choose the original and get like big bottle of original and a big beard balm of the original, because it's that good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, thank you Badass Beard Care for your cooperation and sending these samples to me. Thumbs up to Veterans and Badass Beard Care. Thank you guys, and I will see you soon.